So mas maganda pala yung pag self-love, pasalubong sa sarili. Ano mas cute guys? Ito sa taas or ito? Wow. Okay guys, ulit. Ano mas cute? Wow! Wow! Thank you. Hi guys, welcome back to another vlog. For today's episode, samahan nyo kami para bumili ng ano tawag doon? Pasalubong shopping.
No souvenir.
Pasalubong nga.
Yeah.
Souvenir
for
shopping.
More, souvenir.
Ano, what's the difference with pasalubong and souvenir?
Pasalubong is someone you will give. Souvenir is for ourselves.
No, I'll also give it.
Okay,
Both souvenir and pasalubong. Souvenir for myself and souvenir for other people. Ano din ha? Ganun pala yan. Now I know.
Pasalubong kay more ang nihatag magud mo sa other people.
Oh, I didn't know that.
Okay, I'll Google it.
Now I know. I
Google.
know. And another one, after namin bumili ng pasalubong, pupunta kami ng dinner spot. Apparently, maraming sikat na restaurants dito, Turkish restaurants dito.
Pasalubong is a Filipino tradition of bringing gifts.
And
Ranging from local delicacies.
so souvenirs is just for
for
ourselves.
loved ones when returning from a trip.
Now I didn't know. Now I learned something new. Okay. Because I've always thought na souvenir is for like a general term na souvenir for myself, souvenir for family. So, ganito lang siya sa gabi. Kasi ang daming sa city center nga kami malapit book, 'di ba? Tapos konnichiwa naman. Kala nila hapon kami. Tapos, maraming mga souvenir shops dito. Kung pupunta kayo dito, magstay kayo sa Goreme, lakad-lakad lang kayo guys. Tapos marami kayong makikitang mga souvenir shops dyan sa gilid. Kita niyo sa tapat. Dyan kami nag-lunch, Momo. Yan, Momo na restaurant. Dyan kami nag-lunch. Shout out kay Yukiyo, siya may-ari ng Momo na restaurant. Nag-bonding kami over 2 beers. Hindi niya binenta. Binigay niya kasi bawal magbenta ng beer. Going back, ang daming mga souvenir shops nandito. Tas bili lang kayo, tas I think just find the cheapest one kasi most of them actually sell the same things. So yun lang. Kung gusto niyo magbayad ng mahal, kayo bahala. Tapos after ng souvenir shops, kakain kami somewhere. Nag-pick na si Kay kung saan kami kakain. May sinadjust sa amin ng tour guide yung hotel namin na Seten restaurant, isang highly rated restaurant.
We're going to Sadef, we're not Sadef.
Alam ko, sinabi ko nga, sasabihin ko lang, tas parang okay, ang daming tao pupunta doon. Tas may nakita nadaanan kami kahapon after grocery. Sadef, it's called Sadef. Maganda yung area din. I think malapit lang din siya sa Seten, so pakita namin kayo. Hanap muna kami ng
pasalubong ibigay sa ibang tao bilang tanda ng pagmamahal. Souvenir is paalala ng karanasan para sa sarili.
So selfish pala yung souvenir.
It's the difference.
So mas maganda pala yung pag self-love, pasalubong sa sarili.
Whatever.
Selfish din, no?
Ganyan yan siya, guys. Ganyan talaga yan.
Dami ko ng pasalubong sa sarili ko.
So,
Ganyan,
diba?
Tingnan mo yung mga mga pasalubong, guys. Yung pasalubong sa iba, huwag sa sarili, di ba? Tama nga guys, may kalimutan akong i-share. So si Kay, di ba, siya yung nag-book ng hot air balloon namin. Tapos nung napunta na kami dito, di ba, sabi namin palagi, mahal yung prices. Tapos nung napunta kami dito guys, alam mo yung mga same day or the day before na mga prices, $90. Tapos yung nabayaran namin is $135. But ano yun, parang mali, parang price glitch. So, most of the times daw, 250, nasa 300 yung prices. With breakfast, yung mga ganun.
Without breakfast pa yun.
Without breakfast, yung 250 or 200.
And when I inquired, like direct inquiry, they will also tell you like it's 200 to 250 for this season. For this month.
For this season. Tapos, yung problema lang guys is, yun nga, pag pupunta kayo ng Cappadocia, weather dependent talaga tong hot air balloon, 'di ba? Kasi nasa malaking balloon kayo. Pag mahangin, hindi sila lilipad. So buti na lang na pinagdasal talaga ni Kay, pinagdasal namin na clear yung weather. Ayun, you wanna go there?
No.
No,
Take a picture.
Yeah. na-clear yung weather kasi 2 days lang kami dito sa Cappadocia na full day. 2 full days. So suggest namin na kung ilang days kayo, kunwari multiple days, suggest namin na sa first day kayo mag-book. Kasi i-rebook nila ng rebook hanggang pwede na kayong lumipad. Yun nga, tapos naswertihan kami sa first day, nakalipad kami agad. Tapos, pwede kayo kung gusto nyo mag-risk guys, book na lang kayo when you get here, which is $90.
But still a risk.
It's still a risk kasi weather dependent, diba? So it's up to you guys.
And if depends kung like daghan na kayo nakabook. So,
Oh yeah, tas pag marami na nakabook kasi limited lang, dalawa lang. Yung mahal is 820, di ba? Ang loob sa isang 20 ang loob sa isang balloon. Sa amin is 28, yun yung pinakamura. So, yan yung take that tip guys. Hopefully you pay attention to that. Picture muna kami dito. I love Gorem sign. Goreme, di ba? Goreme pala. My mother's. First guys, first stop. $30, $40 kung mga aplatito. Magnet to? Ay, magnet. Malaki lang. Oh, ito pala, kung makikita nyo marami to ganito sa Turkey guys. Evil eye pala to. Just so you know, it's to ward off evil juju, bad juju. Ito. Oh, $100, 100 Turkish lira. Ito yung gusto namin na design, yung ganito mga design. Papabili daw kapatid ni Kay. Shout out to Renren, 70 Turkish lira tong mga ganito dito. Cha-cha. Magnets to lahat, diba? Tapos yun itong mga parang na 50 Turkish lira. Cute, pusa. Oh yeah, I actually like that. It's really cute, but I think the only reason why hindi ko to type is yung magnet sa likod. Flimsy. Di ba? Maliit lang. Ewan ko ba guys? Kung ako bibili ako ng magnet, gusto ko yung malaki yung sa likod. Do you know what I mean? Yung pag nandito. Yung nandito. Gusto ko malaki yung... Uy! Malaki yung magnet. Kasi yung surface area ba, mas didikit talaga siya. Yan yung tinitignan ko talaga. Ganda nito. Parang Thailand. So, ito lang yung magnet dito. Feeling ko malakas din yung magnet. Ito yung gusto ko na design. Ay, saan ba yan? Nandito yan eh. Yung parang caricature. So, dito, 150. Nilalagay naman nila. Tapos, I think they get card din ata. Tanungin nyo na lang bago kayo bibili. May mga keychain naman dito. 100 Turkish lira. Ganda ng keychain nila. Cute. Yung ito. Other pala. Shades din nila dito. Gusto ko mag-try nitong shades, babe. Ito. Bagay ako. Aray. Abog?
Yeah, it's abog.
Oh my god, it's so dusty. Daming shades nila dito. 300 Turkish lira. Meron din sila mga medyas na 50 Turkish lira. Kiri. Second gift shop, guys. Ito pala yung first gift shop na tinignan namin. Mahal to dito. Oo nga no, kasi nagustuhan mo to. Naalala ko to, di ba? Mahal to dito, guys. Third gift shop, guys. Ito yung magnet nila. Hanap na rin kayo yung magandang design. Kasi depende din sa sa store. Ito, 30 Turkish lira. Pangit yung design. Meron dito sa tapat pa. Marami pa. fourth, ano namin. Ganda din mga designs nila dito. Dito yung price sa gilid. 200 Turkish lira, 180. Itong abridor ng flag nila, 150. Ito yung mga designs.
Ibang idea.
Oo. Guys, may tanong ako. Baklava? Ikaw, babe, anong sagot? Baklava?
Tanong niyo si Justin.
Alo, Justin. Wasap naman tayo dito kahapon. Ganda dito. Ganda dito. Ano to? Itong price nakalagay. Libre pag walang ano. Cute ito. 50 Turkish lira lang guys. Wow. Babe. Oh, babe. Oh, nice kilo. Marco. Ano to? 70 Turkish lira. Mas mahilig ng keychain dyan. You know, 50 lang yan. Guys, nagbebenta sila guys ng ano, ng Turkish tea set. Sabi ko nga kay Kay, paborito ko to eh. Wala, 300 lang oh, $6. Pasali na pala yung kutsarita. Tas, may Zultanite pa guys. Ay, may plato pa. Guys, highly recommend. Bilhin nyo to. Ganda oh, may platito na oh. Tapos may glass pa guys oh. Plastic ba yan, babe? Masira po. Meron din sa mga ano dito guys, mga mug. 200 Turkish lira. Ito yung gusto ko, yung platito. Ito. Ito. Gift. Pasalubong ko sa sarili ko. Gusto niyo maghuka-huka kayo dyan, yes, sa bahay. 1,400 Turkish lira. Right, on to the next one. Ito guys, kung gusto niyo bumili ng carpet guys, pasalubong nyo. Carpet, oh. Ilukot nyo yung pasalubong ni dito guys. Yan yung pambalot nyo. Kano kayong carpet eh? Next one guys. Mga ating design. 80 Turkish lira. Parang gusto ko tong ganito babe. Yung sabi mo nahanap mo, yung kahit maliit yung magnet. Pero mas cute yung design. Cute nito. Parang Tree of Life. Ay, di ba ito yung nakita natin doon sa may Pigeon, di ba, Valley? 40 Turkish lira lang, guys. Ayaw mo bumili ng magnet, babe? Or hanap ka pa? Dito, 80. Parang mas mahal dito ng 10 eh. 10 Turkish lira. Sige, on to the next one. Here's the next one. 40 Turkish lira. Cute nito. Tapos gusto niyo ano? Yung kotse. Ay! Ganda nito. Babe, this one's really nice. Look. Pero ano lang, maliit lang yung magnet, natatanggal yung magnet. 30 Turkish lira yung mga ganito. Yan. Tapos 80 dito. May mga gemstones pa nga yung iba. Tapos 80 din dito. Yan. Parang iniwan na ako. Is pang lima na namin to guys. 100 Turkish lira. And then ito, abridor. Cute din ito. Babe, this one's, oh yeah, this one's the nice one. 100 Turkish lira. Ito din yung may kotse. Sikat yung may kotse na convertible guys. So picture kayo. Oh, this is what I like. Ito yun. Ito yun. Kasi buo yung ano.
You want that?
Ano mas cute guys? Ito sa taas or ito?
Ako.
Wow. Okay guys, ulit. Ano mas cute? Parang ano mas maganda, babe? Ano, ikaw maganda ka, pero ano mas maganda? Ito, or ito? This one, right? 103. Balikan natin to kung wala pa tayong mahanap. 100 to. Taga natin to sa bato, guys, 100. Pero siya na lang mag-isa eh. Tago natin to.
If it's for you, it's for you.
Okay, wag ipagdamot, guys. Ay, marami silang ceramics dito. So, 250. 6 balls. Yan. So, cute nito, oh. Yung mga 6 balls, guys. Hawak mo ang beat. Right, next song. Ay, next song. Naging Spotify playlist. Next. Next. Oy, censored. Hala, ang ganda mo. Bagay to, oh. Bagay ba to sa akin, guys? Eh?
Not time for you.
Bagay, oh. Oh, terno. Terno nga. So, ito nasa 70 tsaka 50 Turkish lira. Ito yung mga design. Na-notice nyo naman siguro, guys, na pare-pareho lang yung mga design. Kasi, siguro same lang yan sila ng anong tawag dito? Uy, bagong design yun, may wine. O nga pala, we just found out na sikat pala yung, anong tawag dito? May wine pala yung Cappadocia. Meron silang, Cappadocian wine. Parang ganun. Ito, Turkish coffee, guys. Pero yeah, ilang pare-pareho lang sila ng designs. Yan. Same lang sila ng pinagbilhan. Guys, 100 Turkish lira. Tapos meron silang mga gem and stuff. 35 Turkish lira. Hi. Okay. Oh, this one's a crystal menthol. This is very strong.
Where do you come from?
Philippines.
Kamusta?
Kamusta? Okay lang. You have many Filipino people coming here?
I'm from Iraq. I worked with Filipinos 10 years.
Oh, really?
Right now I want to give you polvoron,
No way, that's pulburon.
but Turkish polvoron.
Turkish pulburon?
That's right.
Yes,
Please.
Turkish pulburon. You
Give
worked
me a run.
you worked in the Philippines for 10 years?
No, in Iraq.
Oh, no.
I'm from Iraq. We work together in Iraq.
Oh, there's a lot of
In one
Filipinos.
time.
Okay.
Yes, in the security companies. He's amazing. He's similar from your polvoron, but we don't finish yet. This is from Iraqi guy.
What is that?
Cappadocian coffee.
Cappadocian coffee.
Cappadocian coffee doesn't have sugar.
A lot milder.
Very less of the caffeine. They have pistachio, almond, hazelnut, dates, and cardamom.
Wow.
This is your ladies first.
Oh, ladies
Of
first. Ladies
course,
first.
yes.
Ladies first.
Thank you very much. Sorry, brother.
No, appreciate it. Thank you for being a gentleman.
Welcome, man. You're welcome.
Mm.
Anytime. I have a nice memories with Filipino people. 10 years.
Really?
Believe me.
Really?
We eat together. We drink together. We sleep together. We have
Karaoke.
Karaoke?
Yeah, like sing along. Did you guys do sing along? Like sing along, like microphone. Yeah. Yeah. Mm.
Always they are working in the kitchen, cooking something.
What's your favorite
Filipino dish.
food?
Filipino food. Have you remembered? Polvoron?
Polvoron?
And they are make
You like sweets?
look like not more sweet. Look like biryani kitchen. They are make.
Adobo. Adobo?
I don't know
No.
the name.
Kare-kare? No.
But rice with some chickens.
Chicken inasal?
Chicken inasal?
Yeah.
Inasal? Is it grilled? Grilled?
Yeah, it's good.
Oh,
Very good.
I love
Very good.
inasal. I make inasal. I make
have a lot
inasal.
of memory. Also, they are like our food. My wife over there, he will make some food in my home. I bring him to come. We eat together. They like the meat.
Yeah, we like meat. Iraqis love meat too. Yeah. My adopted Filipino. What was your name again?
Mustafa.
Mustafa.
From Iraq.
From
I
Iraq.
like Filipinese people.
Hey. We'll check out the shop.
Yeah. Let me show you that perfume.
What perfume?
Is
Oh, Mustafa here, guys. Convinced me to
Thank you very much, man. My brother from Philippines. I will give him the best one of the perfume here in Cappadocia.
What is it called?
It's
Honeymoon. Honeymoon.
Unisex perfume, the oil based without alcohol.
Parfum, guys. So you know
Yeah.
there's levels, right? There's
Enjoy.
Eau de Toilette, EDP, Eau de Parfum, and this is Parfum, right?
I'm with all the Filipinese people in Cappadocia.
Okay.
Yeah.
Come to Mustafa shop.
Thank you very
Come to
much.
Mustafa shop.
Thank you very much.
Alright, and bayad na tayo, guys. Bayad na tayo.
Look, this is good memory.
What is this? Pomegranate?
The pomegranate oils. They have a collagen, vitamin E, and olive for hair, face, and body.
So good for hair,
In the
face,
night,
body.
you can use it for your face. After shower, you can use it for your hair and body. He's amazing. The serum.
It's pomegranate. Oh, it's a pomegranate, guys. Uso na ngayon yung the collagen is famous.
Very famous. See? Hair, face, body. 100 ml. 150 lira.
I'll think about it first.
Don't think.
Don't-
He will take perfume. You will take this one for you.
Because I already bought something for myself.
Yeah.
That's right.
I'll buy. I'll just get the perfume. I appreciate it, Mustafa.
You're welcome.
Guys, this is
Let me
really
show you
good.
another thing, because we have a nice thing.
Guys,
It's
look.
Glow in the dark. Go inside.
Glow in the dark.
Yeah. When we start, we say 3, 2, 1. After that, we can. So 1, 2, 3.
Whoa!
Cappadocia. You see?
Wow, wow.
You're very lucky. It's good for memories. You can take some pieces from
Wow.
this section. The handmade phosphor ceramic is a glow in the dark.
Why is it glow in the
You
dark?
know why? Let me show you. Come closer over here, please, brother. This is the handmade phosphor ceramic.
Yeah.
He take a charge from the lamp. In the day we are keep it under the lamp. In the night he will be shining. See, this is the doesn't see the light. I
Oh,
will
because it's
show you.
underneath. Yeah,
I
yeah.
will show you just a few seconds. I will put him under the light. A few seconds.
Uh-huh.
This is doesn't see the light before. Just I need some second like this. I will keep it over here. After that,
Wow.
The same, man?
It's so glowy compared to the others.
Of course,
Yeah.
because he's very take a lot of
Light already.
light already.
Wow.
That's
Wait,
one
wait. What
solid
what materials is making it glow?
Ceramic.
The ceramic is
Phosphor ceramic.
oh,
That's right, yeah.
specific
Phosphor
phosphorus
ceramic.
ceramic.
And very light. We make it very light. For example, the Cappadocia section over there. And I will show you a special thing with this. When you want to write something by light,
Uh-huh.
just I switch off this, and you can see.
Wow.
This is amazing. One of the best here.
Wow. I didn't know.
He's amazing. This is you cannot find him anywhere. You are very lucky. You can take some gift from here.
Hey. Man, I wish you have luggage.
It's
Man.
very light. And make paper on, you can keep it. It's
No,
cool.
no, it's like we don't have actually luggage. Like that's the reason why I get perfume.
We have a balloons also. Smaller balloons. This is also easy glow in the dark. You see, he's one of the best.
Yeah. Guys, come over here. What's your shop's called? What is
Beza the gift shop.
Beza the gift shop. Come here, guys. I'll put the link down in the description below and talk to Mustafa. Holy crap. Where do I pay? So I bought ano man nabili ko, babe? Perfume. So punta kayo dito sa shop nila. Oh, here. Ito yung Beza gift shop. Beza gift shop. Fine, Mustafa. Guys, nabudol na si Kay. Ako na naman nabudol. So, patas na. It's a tie. Babe, remember when we were first dating? I mean, first time na we're still talking, di ba? Lagi mong sinasabi, it's a tie, it's a tie. Tapos parang hindi ko na gets. Like, and I was like, okay, it's a tie. Pero yeah, so si Mustafa, he's been working with a lot of Filipinos. Tapos medyo, for 10 years na nga sa Iraq. Tapos he was working for a securities company. Kasali mga Filipinos. Tapos marami pinaglulutuan daw nila ng mga
And
adobo.
his favorite food is
Chicken inasal. Yeah, chicken inasal. And then, sabi nga niya na marami daw sila nakikita ng Filipinos daw sa Turkey. Pero lately daw wala.
Last year.
Oh, tapos ngayon wala na
This
daw.
year, yeah.
Kasi sinabi namin na yun nga yung trouble sa kasi yung flights diba usually dadaan ng Dubai, yung mga ganun. Kaya kawawa naman. So guys, if inexplain
Turkish airline is expensive.
Yeah, Turkish Airlines expensive.
It's okay.
It's okay, we just tried. Thank you, you too. Ulit na, it's a replay. Ganun din sinabi niya sa amin kagabi. It's on your life. Oh, pero medyo naawa lang ako guys kasi sabi nga ni Mustafa na gusto niyang kasi yung mga people iniisip nila unsafe yung Turkey.
Yeah.
Gusto niyang ialis yung yung stigma na Turkey is unsafe. So kayo
Very
guys,
safe and people are very nice. here.
very nice, very nice. So at least guys na parang put it in your bucket list naman na makapunta ng Turkey kasi nga nakakaano din ng bad rep. Guilty din ako niyan kasi sabi ko kay Kay, wala talaga yung Turkey sa ko sa bucket list ko. I would always think that Turkey is like yung mga sa movies, 'di ba? Yung mga bakbakan, yung mga gera, yun yung napipicture ko. When I went here, ang ganda guys. Sobra. And I'm guilty of that. And I apologize sa past self ko. Oy, ito yung magnet na 100 siya dito din. Ito yun, di ba? Yeah. Marami pa pala. Guys, ito yung pinakamurang magnet na nakita ko dito. 25 Turkish lira. Pero ito yung mga design. Parang kinarve siya. Tapos ito yung parang actual, ano siya, carved talaga. Ano siya, 200 Turkish lira. Mga pigeon houses. Tingnan natin yung magnet sa likod. Maliit lang, pero just be careful kasi pag mahulog to guys, sira yan agad. Tapos 200 Turkish lira pa siya. Siguro nasa pang 8 na namin to guys. Ay, mura to dito guys. 3 pieces, 400 Turkish lira. Ito 70. Pero yung design lang nan. Ito 100. 100 to yung mga ganito. Mga ganda to. Mga ganyan. 100 to. Mas mahal to dito guys. 80 Turkish lira to dito. Mas mahal. Ito mga handmade. 200. Diba? Ito yung sabi ko na handmade. 280. 150 dito. Maganda ditong design na to guys. Oh. It's 4 pieces, 100 Turkish lira. So mas mura siya sa kabila. Ayos din yung mga design guys. Pero yun nga, ano siya parang para siyang bato. So pag mahulog to guys, sira talaga to guys. OMG. Kasi ito lang yung magnet sa likod. Kaya kung ano yung gusto niyo magnet. Pero ako mapili kami sa magnet eh. You know, 80, 100 Turkish lira. Guys, di ba yan yung palaging napapala natin pag bad boy tayo? Kasaba Cafe. Joke lang. Balik naman tayo dito. Garden Lounge Cafe. Malaking restaurant din to guys, oh. Mission accomplished. Nakabili na kami ng magnets guys. Maganda yung quality dito. Ito yung store. High five. Yan. Shout out sa kay Kay. Nakakuha siya ng discount. Kano discount mo, babe? 10 Turkish lira. Let's go. Goods na kami. So, magdi-dinner na kami. Hello. This is Nick. This is Nick. Oh. Yupi. Ingat. Take care. Bye-bye. Yeah, there are Chinese friends guys na meet namin sa... Saan na natin sila meet? Sa bus lang pala. O, sa bus lang pala. Sa pagsundo namin. Tapos, small lang kasi yung Goreme. So, nami-meet namin sila kahit saan kami pumupunta. Guys, yan yung food namin. Restaurant pala. Kuha muna kami ng seat. Kumakuha. Thank you. Guys, ito yung menu, Sedef. Since 1989 daw. Sana. $340, lamb chickpeas, Turkish. Post nyo na lang kung gusto nyo man. Aram chips to. $320. Kofta. Steak, ano sila guys? Steak salata. $820. Chicken salata. $380. Oh, they have different burgers too kung gusto nyo. Gusto nyo dark burger. $720. Sa Def Burger, $780. Tapos kasalay na price, Saru Burger, $780. Tapos may mga pasta din sila. Yan. Just pause it kung gusto nyo na pesto. Oh, pizza. They have pizza. Nami? Pizza comes with fries? Yeah, it comes with fries. Sausage pizza. Vegetarian. Margarita pizza too. 600 yen. 600 Turkish lira. Asado beef rib. Guys, so ito yung order namin. Curry meat mantar. So it's a cheese and mushroom. So 420 Turkish lira. And then dark burger, 720 Turkish lira. It comes with fries and chips. What's the other one, babe? What was the other one? Which one was it? The clay pot? This one. We ordered Dana Testi Kebab. So, presentation to guys. Pakita namin. So, kinukook siya sa clay pot. We'll show you guys later. And then for drinks, Kaya may option ka din na chicken or lamb. Beef yung sinadjust ng waiter. Tapos, may mga steaks din sila dito. It's gonna be expensive. But, we have steaks in America, so it's okay lang. Ito yung gold T-bone steak. 2,000 Turkish lira. Gold New York steak. Favorite cut. 2,000 Turkish lira. And, ito yung ano yung order ko. Ito ata. I got the Adam drink. But, guys, so to start, may bread sila. May pa-bread sila, tas may mga dips. Ito, esme din to. Esme is you. Tas ano to, yogurt?
So I think it's yogurt.
Yogurt with olive oil. Tapos, para tong fruit salad na coleslaw. Diba, ito ba yun? Tignan nyo guys, ganda ng design sa likod guys, oh. Si Jesus. Nakita mo na, babe? Yung design sa likod. Ganda. Si Mama Mary din, oh.
This one is good.
This one's good. Ganda. Cheers. Esme. Oh, wow. The bread is so fresh.
Good shakaroo.
This is good.
Better than
Feeling ko high quality lahat dito eh. Kasi ano siya, social sa restaurant eh.
okay, nabay bread. Kasi may bread. Social ba yan?
Sarap. Sarap ito.
Di ba better than the one we had before?
Sige, ranking ko. Number 1, number 2, number 3. Mas gusto ko yung mumurahin na esme. Kasi yung sa hotel.
Kasi yan sa lounge.
Sa hotel? Ay, yung sa lounge. Kasi malat-alat eh.
Katong akuan na one kaya mas lamig ko.
Yung mong version. Mating na yung mushroom guys. Nagsisizzle siya oh. Mainit siguro to guys. Mainit pala. Alright guys, may cheese pull tayo. Cheese pull action. Wow. Yun lang. Try mo na. Mainit.
Ano ko mainit ba?
Mainit guys, mainit. Cheers. Cheers. Be? Ayun. Masarap siya guys. Masarap yung mushroom. Cheers. Oh. Guys, alam mo yung social yung lugar. Kasi itong salt shaker, ang bigat. Mas mabigat pa siya sa kutsara at tinidor ko. Grabe. Ito, bigay ko kay Kay. Tingnan mo. See, sabi ko, bigat na. Dark burger, guys. Wow. Tingnan niyo yung order ni Kay. Socialins yung order ni Kay. Tingnan niyo. Wow. Mainit. Wow. Thank you. Yeah. Wow, may gana na yan siya. Ito yung spread, guys. First taste, how does it taste like? Mechado?
Ng tomato base na kuan ko.
Do you like it? Eh,
Okay.
it's just a presentation. Masarap to pag may asin. Asinan mo. Yung rice, try mo. Ay, hindi siya rice. Sagol. Ano siya? Mixed rice siya. Try natin to guys.
Babe, ako na kayo na. Wala ko gana mag-iwan.
Bite lang. Cross section. Let me know kung gusto mo na. Gusto mo na? Alright, first bite. Cheers guys, cheers. Cheers. You good? They know how to make a burger. Yan guys, nakalabas na kami sa restaurant. In and out lang kami guys. Kasi dito lang kami nag-enjoy. Katotoo lang. Hindi namin alam kung sa restaurant ba, sa mood namin. Kasi ayos naman mood namin nung bili kami ng souvenirs eh. Tapos
You were just hyped up.
hype up lang siguro. Kasi ang daming reviews.
9,000.
9,000 reviews. So, pag ganun,
4.8?
tabayaran namin,
Did I say
magkano ba yan? 2,400? 2,400 Turkish lira.
So far, that was the most expensive food that
meal
we had.
namin. So mga nadaan sa $56 or $54. So yun, binalot nga namin kasi di namin ubos. So nakita nyo naman yung presentation, di ba, with all that pizzazz and stuff. So like it was good but not great. It was meh. Sabi ko nga sa kanya parang kulang ng asin, kulang ng timpla. Yun. Guys, salamat sa pagsama sa amin. Tawid tayo dito. Oo, tawid tayo dito. Salamat sa sama sa amin dito pagbili ng souvenirs kasi last night na namin dito sa Cappadocia, sa Goreme. And hope nag-enjoy kayo guys, and kung gusto niyo bang more adventure, samahan niyo ako. Please like, follow, and subscribe, and thank you again sa pag-support. And take care guys, and don't forget to take care of someone. Bye-bye!
Bye!